how to fix too many attempts on WeChat. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can fix too many attempts on WeChat. If you're encountering too many attempts issue on your WeChat app, don't worry, I've got it covered in this video. The first step is to try restarting the WeChat application and also your phone. All right, sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. So close the WeChat app completely and restart your phone. This is the first thing. If you try this and you see facing the too many attempts issue, head over to your phone settings in order to clear the cache and the data of your WeChat application. So once you're in your settings, scroll down until you can see app management or any settings related to your app. And then after clicking on app management, on the app management page, select app list. And then on the app list page, click on the search box and then type out WeChat. Since that is the application which cache you would like to clear, select it and then you'll be brought to WeChat page. On this page, select storage and cache. As you can see, there are different options here, such as app size, user data, cache, total. So just go ahead and click on clear cache by moving to the lower right corner. So after clicking on clear cache, the cache of the application will be cleared and then go back and restart your WeChat application. By now, it should start working. But if after this, you are still experiencing the too many attempts issue, the next thing that can be done is to update your WeChat. All right, so how do you do so? Head over to the official app store, which could be Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the kind of device that you're using. And then once you're on the Play Store application, click on the search box that you can see there, and then type out the name of the chat, which is WeChat. And then you can see WeChat and other applications similar. Select WeChat. And then on the WeChat page, you would see two options, namely uninstall and open if there are no recent updates. But if there are recent updates, instead of open, you will see the option updates here. So just select that and then the application will be updated automatically. Then you can now restart your phone and open up and restart the device, the application as well. And I'm sure by now it will start working. But if it doesn't work, you can try on installing WeChat from your device and reinstalling it from the official app store. So try out all of this or any of this. All right, any of these steps. You do not have to try out everything, but try out any of it. Or if you try some and it doesn't work, ensure you keep on trying. And I'm sure that eventually the too many attempts issue would be resolved. Thank you for watching and have a good day.